This little bird's been sitting here for an hour, chirping, 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 outside my window. And this little creature's sitting here staring. There he is again, right at the same place. What are you saying, beautiful bird? She left. No? Where'd she go? Where'd she go? She's on the grass. What do you want, beautiful bird? You sure have a lot of nerve talking to a kitty cat. Come here. Come here, you want to talk? Talk to her, Kiki. Talk to it. See, talk to it. Aw, there it is again. Came back to talk to Kiki. Don't leave. Hi, who are you? What are you chirping about? Talk to it, Kiki. No? Come on back, little birdie. Kiki's watching you. Come on back, little birdie. There you are. See? This is rare. Hi, who are you, little bird? What is it with us? Say hi, Kiki. Hi. Well, this little bird obviously digs you. Hi, little sweetie. I don't know why that bird was there, but how funny is my little baby got entertainment tonight, this morning. Hi, Kiki.